Welcome to Rideability! For someone who's easily spooked, squeamish, or claustrophobic, knowing what to expect in a ride can be a game changer. My name is Jenny, and today we're taking a look at Splash Mountain in Disney's Magic Kingdom. Opening on October 2nd, 1992, Splash Mountain is a water-based log flume ride themed around the old Disney classic Song of the South. Following Brer Rabbit as he searches for his laughing place, the riders come along as he narrowly escapes capture of Brer Fox and finds his way home. So how scary is Splash Mountain? Let's take a look at the stats. We're labeling this ride red, orange, and purple with an animatronic crossing. If you want to learn more about how we rate these rides, be sure to check out our scoring breakdown video linked below. With a whopping 11-minute ride duration, this ride consists mostly of a slow dark ride portion with its highlight 52-foot drop at the end. Like its neighbor Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, there is a height restriction of 40 inches, so kids that didn't quite meet the 44-inch requirement at Space Mountain might want to give this one a try too. If not, the switching off option is available for those who might need it. The ride vehicles are fairly basic for a log flume ride, seating 8 passengers with 2 sharing each seat with 1 lap bar. We give this attraction a red label because it does feature a pretty substantial dark ride portion that lasts about 5.5 minutes and includes a few creepy characters and some mild peril along its narrative. While most of Splash Mountain's characters are generally sweet, fuzzy friends, the older animatronic animals could come across creepy to some riders, including myself. On that note, we've given Splash Mountain an animatronic crossing because it features over 100 of our shifty, creepy friends. While they are all animals and there's no humanoid animatronics, the sheer number found on this ride definitely warrants a crossing, so be prepared for that. This ride also receives an orange label because of its very quick but still notable 52-foot drop. While those with claustrophobic tendencies may feel trapped on such a long track ride, about half of the duration does take place in open air, and the large ride vehicle's fairly open queue and the wide spaces of the indoor rooms does take the edge off a bit. To get a better understanding of what we've told you, let's take a deeper look into the queue and the ride itself. So the queue entrance is located outside of the Frontierland area and leads you into a Western-themed open-air building. It weaves through indoor and outdoor areas, goes up some stairs, and takes you through a few similar rooms and hallways before taking you back downstairs and onto the loading platform. This queue could be fairly comfortable for the claustrophobic among us, since it does stay either outdoors or in open-air areas that don't feel too restricting. Once you board the ride vehicle, the ride sets off through a small cave, up your first lift, and into a pleasant outdoor portion where you take a second lift and slowly make your way up to the mountain. There is a small dip right before heading into the first dark ride portion, and you're left to take in the magic of Disney for a slow, leisurely trip around the Briar Patch. You're introduced to some cute and cuddly characters, as well as the mischievous Brer Fox and Brer Bear along the way. After a bit more serenading, you pass the 2 villains next to a beehive, and you'll have your first small drop in the dark right after that. You'll find yourself in another dark ride portion with more Brer Rabbit shenanigans before making your second small drop and entering yet another dark ride section. This is where the ride gets a little bit creepy as you see Brer Rabbit get captured and you head up towards Brer Fox's lair. You pass a couple of menacing-looking vultures while the music gets a little spooky, and you climb the last long lift with the sunlight at the end, so you know the big drop is coming at that point. That's probably the scariest bit of the ride right there, but as long as you can handle that, you should be fine. To your left, you'll find Brer Rabbit pulling one last trick on Brer Fox by begging him not to throw him into the Briar Patch, which is actually his means of escape. You plummet down the falls with our hero and find yourself safely in the Briar Patch below. From there, you enter your last dark ride portion as the characters sing you out and into the loading station. So as a recap, we've given Splash Mountain at Disney's Magic Kingdom a red label for a 5.5-minute dark ride portion with some scary characters, an orange label for its famous 52-foot drop, you can see it from the outside, a purple label for its long ride duration that may make some people feel claustrophobic. And finally, we've set up an animatronic crossing for its over 100 animal characters found on the ride. While we hope our video has been helpful, everyone's riding experience is a little bit different and only you can make the decision to ride or not to ride. We just hope our videos can help you be prepared and enjoy your time in the park as much as possible. So thanks for coming along for the ride! We hope you found this helpful and would love to hear your thoughts or requests in the comments section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more rideability content, and we hope to see you in the next one. See you there!